Weather Service in Los Angeles, Oxnard has issued a flash flood warning for West Central Los Angeles County in southwestern California until 7 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 4:48 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, showers were increasing in coverage and intensity across the warning area. The expected rainfall rate is 0.4 to 0.8 inch in 1 hour. Flash flooding, rock slides, and mudslides are ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Minor debris flows are possible. Hazard, flash flooding, rock slides, mudslides, and minor debris flows caused by heavy rain. Source, law enforcement reported multiple rock slides and mudslides. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Santa Clarita, Northridge, Chatsworth, Van Nuys, Encino, North Hollywood, Woodland Hills, Granada Hills, Silmar, Porter Ranch, Pacoima, Canoga Park, Sunland, Sherman Oaks, Calabasas, Topanga State Park, Pacific Palisades, San Fernando, Arleta and Castaic Lake. This warning does not include the Franklin, Eaton, or Palisades burn scars. Avoid flooded roads. Be aware of mudslides and rock slides.